Hi, I'm Rodley from LemTask. In today's video, we are comparing setup versus execution, Notion versus LemTask. This isn't about which tool has more features, it's about how fast can you actually get work done. This is Notion's home page, as you can see right in front of me. If you don't have Notion, the link is down in the description below. For those who have, let's log in. This is how Notion looks like for those who are seeing it for the first time. The first thing we need to do is to create a new page. Once you create a new page, you're just going to give it a title. I'm going to give mine vibes tasks. Then what I want you to do to make things much easier and much simpler for you guys, you can also add a cover if you want. You can also add a cover or change the cover if you want. We're going to add database. Just right here and click to database. Then I want you to go, excuse me. Then I want you to select empty database. Once you have entered the database, it should show you something like this, whereby we'll be focusing on table. You can see right here, you can choose databases, priorities, reviews. There's a lot of features that you can choose, and it's powerful. But if you ask me, you need to design a system to see how it goes first. So what we're going to do right now is we are just going to add a bit of tables right here. We're just going to add one board. We're just going to add this view right here, because this board view, I love it because it makes things much more sense and makes things much more easier to understand and to execute much more faster for me here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to type your tasks. I want you to write 5 tasks that you can actually accomplish today. So my 5 tasks are going to be gym, work, read invoices, have a meeting, send the money. So I have 5 tasks already that I have already set for myself. What you're going to do is I just want you to press this icon right here. As you can see, you can actually just edit if you like in terms of this, but we're just gonna take this and hold it and put it into progress. Once we put it into progress, it's something that now I am doing and I'm focusing on accomplishing it. Once I just add some couple more tasks in progress, once I'm just done gymming, I give it in the done section. Once progress of working now kicks in, once I'm done working, I just put it in the done section. Just like that, I have done the process, now I have executed. That's how you plan the tasks and execute in Notion using this board feature. But if you go back to your table right now, you should see that your table has the list that you have done. What you can do to make things much more professional for your table is that you can add dates and you can add priorities. So as much as statuses are given, you also need a date to give an execution. So you're just gonna give yourself a date like that on the table task. But once you go to your board, as you can see, your board is just straightforward. You just have to write tasks here, place them in the progress. Once you're done reading the invoice, you just give it here. And quick as that, you have scheduled and executed your tasks here in Notion. For context, This is how we use the same approach here in LemTask. For those who do not have LemTask, the link is down in the description below. Once you sign up, you just have to just put in your full name, email, password, and you just sign up and create an account. For those who do have, let's log in. This is LemTask's dashboard. There are so many features that will help you to keep up with productivity, but I'm just going to go straight to the point. I want you to go to this feature called BrainDump. Once you're here, there are so many features in so many ways whereby you can import your tasks via email, via any file that you can import, via transcripts, and via Google Sheets, and also audio. And least but not my least and my favorite, the start voice section. I'll just do quickly 5 examples for you right now. Working in today. The reason why I'm saying today, as you can see, I said working in today, it already gave me my date. I just have to schedule my time, priority, and I just add my task just like that. And I'm moving on to the next. Gymming today. Let me just repeat that. Gymming today. Gymming today. Did I just add that? Let's just add the time, how high level priority it is. I'm just gonna add my third one. Having a meeting with my CEO today. You have to give it instructions that you're giving it today. I just add my time. Just like that, I just added my tasks. I'll just go in today's. The today section is where literally everything that I'm dealing with today shows up. So whatever I'm focusing on today has to show up in my today's list. Automatically, as you can see, I have scheduled tasks that I have already need to do. As you can see, these are tasks that I'm going to do today. I've already scheduled them using the voice section. What's needed for me right now, since it's done like this, it's my duty right now. When the time hits, it's my time to do the tasks and execute them. Once the time hits, I'm doing my task. Once I'm done, I just give it a tick. A tick symbolizes that I have completed the task. Just like that, I have executed my task. That's how we use the same approach here in LemTask. If your edge is consistency, execution speed matters. And that's where LemTask focuses on. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe in the link below.